Hey guys, whether you are a beginner or a professional trader with lots of hands-on experience, today I'm going to show you a trading strategy. By using that strategy, you can generate up to $1,000 to $2,000 daily. And this trading strategy has a significant win ratio of 85%. So in this trading strategy, we're going to be using two indicators. The first will be the fractals and the second will be the Donchain. So let's see. So the conditions to apply on the charts is the first indicator, the fractal, and the second one is the Donchain. 30-second chart we will be using and 1-minute chart for the trading time. So let's apply the indicators from here, the Donchain, and here's the fractals. So let me tell you guys the parameters. The first, the Donchain parameters have to be the by default, and the style I am adjusting it, and you can also adjust it according to your comfort. So let me make it like this, a little bit of opacity, right? Okay, now so let me save it. And for the fractals, you have to make this number to 3. So and the styles have to be by default, and save it. So the conditions to buy or sell will be whenever the price will be above this gray line and this green fractal will appear, we will sell short the trade, and whenever the price will be below this gray line and this red fractal will appear, we will buy the trade. So let's wait for the green fractal to be appeared because price is also on the above gray line. So let's wait for the green fractal. Alright, the price is getting rejected from above right here, so let's wait. Okay, prices, and here you go, the green fractal has appeared. So here I'm selling this trade with $500. So let's wait for the trade results. All right, the trade is currently moving into our favor. The price is getting rejected from the above, as you can see here. So let's wait for the results. Right, the trade is currently moving into our favor, and let's see, and some more time to go, and boom, $460 profit in a single trade. You can see the trade results with my trading strategy has a win ratio of 85%. So let's wait for another trade to be happen on the charts. Right, the price is slowly coming towards downside, so let's wait and see what charts will bring to us now. Let's wait and see. All right, the price is currently getting support towards upside, so let's wait a bit more. And here it's going above. Let's wait and see. The chart is currently moving above, and here you can see a red fractal appeared, but this is an invalid signal because the price is currently above the gray line and the red fractal appears, which means we don't have to buy on that. So let's wait. All right, price is now currently below the gray line. So let's wait for the red fractal to be appeared. Okay, the price is moving, and let's see. Okay, so now the price is below the gray line. Our first condition is done, and here you go, the red fractal has appeared successfully, which means I'm going to buy with the $500 again. So let's wait for the trade results. Okay, the trade is moving upside. Guys, always make sure that your risk management and your money management should be your first top priority because loss can be happen at any time. So let's wait, and let's see this trade results here. The price is currently way more above than our entry, and boom, another $455 of profit on a second trade. So let's take some more trade. Let's wait for the price to give us some more confirmation because price is currently below the gray line, which means the chances are for the buy signal, and boom, another red fractal has appeared successfully. So which means both of our conditions are valid now, and I'm going to buy with other $500 here. So let's wait and see this trade results. And on the opening of the candle, the price has dropped significantly, and oops, we lost the $500, but that's not an issue because my risk management is on my top priority list. So now I will show you how I'm gonna recover this minimum loss of the $500. So let's see. So here, let me think, and I'm here, I'm adjusting my, as you can see, the position size to $1,000 because I know my top priority is my risk management and my money management. And boom, another red fractal appeared. The price is below the gray line, you can see right here. So I'm buying this trade. So let's see. Okay, let's wait a bit more. The price is currently going above into our favor, and boom, significant $920 profit again on the last fourth trade. So let's see my today's, this total sum up is right here in front of you guys. So let's see my today's profit withdrawal, and here you can see my today's profit withdrawal of $1,330, and you can see guys it's completed right here. So let me show you guys my today's the depositing proof, and here you can see it's completed right here. The TRX address, $1,330 coming to my account on this date and time. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and like and share the video because I'm gonna bring more content. Thank you.